Hello class 9th. Welcome to GK class. This is your GK book. Today we are going to discuss about Indian economy. Page number 43. Economy. Economy means the operation of a country's money supply, commercial activities. The economy of India is characterized as middle income developing market economy. It is the world's sixth largest economy. NDC, National Development Council. It is an executive body which takes decision on matters related to approval of 5-year plans of the country. Prime Minister is the ex officio chairman of NDC. The Green Revolution. The Green Revolution in India was initiated in the 1960s by introducing high-yielding varieties of rice and wheat to increase food production in order to alleviate hunger and poverty. The Indian tea industry. The Indian tea industry is exporting to the highest exchanges. India is the second biggest tea maker. The tea industry also a job-intensive market. India's maximum foreign exchange is spent on import of petroleum products. Today, India spends nearly 75% of its export earnings to pay for crude oil. MODVAT, Moderate Value Added Tax, is related to the excise duty. The MODVAT tax system was announced in 1986 and this scheme has been extended for the petroleum goods. Income tax. Income tax is not levied by any state government. It is levied by the union government on income of individuals. NABARD. The full form of NABARD is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. It was established on July 12, 1982 by an act of the Parliament. It is mandated for providing and regulating credit and other facilities for the promotion and development of agriculture, small-scale industries, handicrafts, etc. Prime Minister is the chairman of the NDC, National Development Council. At present, Narendra Modi is the chairman of National Development Council or Rashtriya Vikas Parishad. Security Press Nasik. Currency notes in India are printed in Security Press Nasik. The India Security Press is a government press, is a subsidiary of Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited, public undertaking of the Indian government. The company is charged with the task of printing passports, visas, postcards, etc. The total number of major banks nationalized so far is 20. The major nationalized banks in India are State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, Union Bank of India, etc. Now some cross questions. Who is the chairman of National Development Council? Number 2. Give full form of MODVAT. Number 3. When was NABARD established? Number 4. When did Green Revolution initiate in India? Number 5. Who levied the income tax? Thank you.